video we shall discuss third problem. In this third problem there are totally 5 bits. So we shall discuss the bits based on the length of the video. So let's start. So first of all, third problem. Draw the graphs of the given polynomial and find the zeros. Justify the answers. So they have said we have to draw the graphs of the given polynomials and we should find the zeros and justify the answers. So y of x is equals to x square minus x minus 12. So this is a quadratic polynomial. So if we want to draw the graph, we have to accommodate the values for this. So we have to find the values. So this is a quadratic polynomial. So if we think x is equals to 0, we will get y equals to x square minus x minus 12, that is 0 square minus 0 minus 12. So 0 minus 0 is 0. So 0 minus 12 is minus 12 is the answer. If x is equals to 0, y is equals to minus 12. So this is the first one. And coming to the second, so if you think x is equals to 1, we will get x square minus x minus 12 is a polynomial. So we have to substitute in that the values. So we will get 1 square minus 1 minus 12. So 1 square means 1. 1 minus 1 minus 12. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 12 is minus 12. So here 1 comma minus 12. Like this we have to write. So if we think x is equals to 3, y equals to x square minus x minus 12. If we substitute 3 in the place of x, we will get 3 square 9 minus 3 minus 12. 9 minus 3 is 6. So 6 minus 12 is minus 6. So if we substitute x is equals to 2, we will get 2 square minus 2 minus 12, that is 4 minus 2 minus 12, that is equals to minus 10. So if we substitute x is equals to 4, we will get 4 square minus 4 minus 12, that is 16 minus 4 minus 12, that is 12 minus 12 is equals to 0. So if we want to plot the values, if we get 2 like this, 2 if we get also, it's enough. And we can simplify further for your better knowledge. So I am simplifying this for further because for your better knowledge. So if you can stop with 2 like this, so you can plot the values. If x is equals to 2, we already discussed this. So if x is equals to 5, x square minus x, already discussed this. So if x is equals to 5, x square minus x minus 12, and 5 square, if we substitute x is equals to 5, we will get 5 square minus 5 minus 12, that is 25 minus 5 minus 12. 25 minus 5 is 20, minus 12 is equals to 8. So if x is equals to minus 1, we will get minus 10, y is equals to minus 10. And if x is equals to minus 2, we will get y equals to minus 6. So if x is equals to minus 3, we will get 0 as the y. And if we substitute x is equals to minus 4, we will get 8 as the y. So when we pair these values and accommodate in a table, so if x is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, we get these answers. So we will accommodate this. So we will plot this in the table. So minus 4 comma minus 8. So minus 4 comma minus 8 is here. And minus 3 comma 0. Minus 3 comma 0 is here. And next minus 2 comma minus 6. Minus 2 comma minus 6 is here. Here minus 2 in the x and minus 6 in the y. So we'll get here. And minus 1 comma minus 10. So minus 1 in the x axis is here and minus 10 is in the y axis is here. So I'll plot here. And then 1 comma minus 12. So 1 in the x axis comma minus 12 is here. And next 2 comma minus 10. 2 comma minus 10 here. And 3 comma minus 6. So 3 in the x axis and minus 6 in the y axis. We'll get 3 comma minus 6. And 4 comma 0. 4 comma 0 is here. And 5 comma 8. Here is the 5 comma 8 in the y axis here. So when we join this, we'll get a like this, we'll get a line. So coming to the next bit, this second bit. So first we also want to say clearly the graph intersects with x axis at x equals to minus 3 and 4. Here the graph intersects as -3 and 4. -3 in the x-axis and 4. So the graph intersects x-axis at 2 points. So it is a quadratic polynomial, we already discussed in the first. So hence the zeros of the polynomial are x square minus x minus 12 is equals to -3 comma 4. So coming to the second bit, p of x is equals to x square minus 6x plus 9. So this is a quadratic polynomial because the degree is 2. So x is equals to 0. If you think x is equals to 0, we'll get y equals to 9. We'll pair this, means we'll get 0 comma 9. And if x is equals to 1, we'll get x square minus 6x plus 9, we'll get y is equals to 4. So like this, if you plot the values, we'll get 2 comma 1, 3 comma 0, 4 comma 1 and 5 comma 4. Here 5 comma 4. So if you want to know the clear details, so you can pause the video and check this. When you substitute the values, you'll get that. And when we accommodate in a table, we'll get, if x is equals to 1, we'll get y equals to 4. If x is equals to 2, y will get 1. If x is equals to 3, y will get 0. And if x is equals to 4, y equals to 1. And if x is equals to 5, y is equals to 4. And if x is equals to 0, y is equals to 9. So we'll substitute these values in the graph. So first of all, x axis 1. So here x axis 1 and y axis 4 here. So we'll mark a point. And 2 comma 1, this is 2 comma 1, we'll point here. And 3 comma 0, 3 comma 0 is here, so we'll point here. And 4 comma 1, this is 4 and comma 1, so we'll get here 4 comma 1. And 5 comma 4, here 5 and here 4, we'll get 5 comma 4. And 0 comma 9, 0 comma 9, this here. So if we join this, we'll get touched at the x-axis at 1 point. So this polynomial has 1 0, and this is also a quadratic equation. Clearly the graph intersects with x-axis at x is equals to 3. Hence the zeros of the polynomial are polynomial x square minus 6x plus 9 are 3. So it has only 1 0. Coming to the third bit, p of x is equals to x square minus 4x plus 5. So this is also a quadratic polynomial. So when we substitute, first of all, x is equals to 0. So we can substitute any number in the place of x or y, we will get the answer. Y is equals to, when we substitute x, we will get 0 comma 5. And here 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1, 3 comma 2 and 4 comma 5. So pause the video and check the calculation. So we will get the correct answer. And when we accommodate these values here, when x is equals to 0, y is equals to 5 is the answer. When x is equals to 1, the answer is 2, y is equals to 2. So when x is equals to 2, y will get 1. And when x is equals to 3, we will get y as 2. And when x is equals to 4, y will get 5. So when we plot this, when x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 5, here the point. And when x is equals to 1, y is equals to 2, here is the point. And when x is equals to 3 and when x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1, here is the point. And when x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 2, here we will get the point. And when x is equals to 4 and y is equals to 5, we will get here the point. When we join these 5 lines, we'll get the answer, as there is no touch between these two x and y axis. So clearly the graph does not intersect with x axis at any point. Hence there are no zeros for the polynomial x square minus 4x plus 5. So guys, in this video we have discussed these 3 bits in fourth problem. So in the next video we shall discuss other 2 bits and the last problem. See you in the next